In this video, I'll share a few quick ways to find a folder path on your Mac. First, method 1. Press and hold the Option key, then right-click on a folder. You'll see an option to copy the path name of that specific folder. If you don't hold the Option key, the menu will only show the standard copy option. Now you can paste that path anywhere you need. Method 2. Go to the View menu in Finder, then select Show Path Bar. Now at the bottom of the Finder window, you'll see the exact path of your current folder. Just right-click on the folder name you want in this bar and select Copy Path Name. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, simply select a folder, then press Option-Command-C. You can actually discover this shortcut by clicking the Edit menu, then pressing and holding the Option key. The Copy Path Name option will appear right there along with its Option-Command-C shortcut. Additionally, when working with Terminal, you can also right-click on a folder and select New Terminal at Folder. Terminal will open up instantly set to the exact location of the folder you just chose. You can use the pwd command to check and verify. Once you have your folder paths, you can quickly jump to them using the shortcut Shift-Command-G, or go to the Go menu and select Go to Folder. Paste your folder path in here, hit the Return key, and you'll be taken straight to that folder instantly.